So I'm here with one of my very long-term clients, Bo Zellner. He's been with me for over 4 years. It's been pretty amazing, and I just wanted him to share his story and talk about what it's been like, working with me and kind of what he's achieved and some of the things that we've been through. So, Bo, take it away.
Well, first of all, I'm really honored, and yeah, absolutely. I've been working with Rafael for quite a time now, and to say the least, it's absolutely changed my life in every single way. And going back to 4 years ago, I was young, ambitious, I had big dreams, big goals in my life. I had no idea how I'd achieve them. I had really no idea what I was doing. I remember it was back when I was just started in network marketing.
So that's been the biggest thing, is if I can get someone to believe in it, believe in themselves.
I remember one night I was just going through gym run videos. I just, recently learned about gym run, and I saw Rafael, and I was like, who's this guy? Saw he was, potentially... Anyway, so I reached out to him, so I potentially, I could work with him. Like, oh, wow, who's this guy? Did a phone call. And the thing that really stood out to me about Rafael, it was just the moment I met him, I knew I'd never met anyone like him. He was on fire. He was excited for life. And I was just, to be quite honest, I was pretty impressed, but it was also like, okay, is this guy real? Like, what is this? And it's something deep down inside. There's this voice where I'm like, okay, like, what's the worst going to happen? Let's work with him. Let's work with him. Like, there's something inside of him. Like, I know that I'm supposed to do this. And so I just went for it, and it absolutely changed my life. And yeah, 4 years ago, we started a weekly call, and I was really amazed at how much there was out there in life that I had no idea about. And so, I mean, I can't even begin to tell you all the things we've worked on. We've worked on every category of my life, and then done that again, and then done that 10 times over. And just when I think I've got something figured out, there's another thing to learn. And it's just been so cool to have him along the way. In fact, as soon as we started working together, I saw my network marketing sales just go through the roof. I went to be the youngest six-figure income earner in the company within 10 weeks. And then I went to achieve the youngest one in the company to receive diamond status, which projects a nice six-figure income. And it was just like, out of nowhere, these blinders were lifted on my eyes, all these things that I'd been blind to, and now I had this amazing coach who was pointing all these things out to me. And so it's been a really cool adventure. And I'll be honest, like, every week I look forward to my call with Rafael. I feel so honored, humbled, and blessed to be working with him. It's just been like, we always kind of joke that he's been like an archangel, but he really has. I mean, it's just so cool, and I'm humbled to be in his presence, to be working with him, because he really does take the time to further himself. I've never seen anyone work harder on himself, and to know that I've got him, in my ring, and he's got my back, it's like, wow. So it's just been incredible. I mean, like, and then, network marketing, I went and started my own company. He was there the whole way. Within the first year, we did a little over $1 million in revenue, which was crazy. Yeah. It was like literally out of nowhere, boom, start a company. Not only that, let's scale it, let's systemize it. And he was there every step of the way, and I'd be like, hey, how do I do this? How do I negotiate a contract? How do I get other people on board? And it was just like every single step of the way, he was there for me. So, I mean, it's just been truly incredible to have had the chance to be working with him.
Wow. Thank you, Bo. It means the world. I mean, one of my very long-term clients, it's been amazing, like, just working with you the whole time. It's just fun. It's always fun. But with you, I actually, I went over and stayed over there for 30 days. We did some really deep, intense stuff since then. I mean, it's been a ton of growth as well. And also, I mean, now you've started a new company that's about to launch. It's very exciting. And, that old business, that was okay. That was chapter 1, or that was chapter 2. The network marketing was the chapter 1. And here comes chapter 3. And it's just seeing you grow, like, the whole time. That's what makes me happy. Like, I always have fun. I always enjoy the calls. I always love working with you. And it's just a pleasure. So, like, having you actually come on here and record this and show this to people, it feels kind of surreal to me, because I don't show this part of the business. I never really show people how much of an impact I make. I just make, videos that are good, and then people come to me, and no one realizes what happens on the inside. I almost never display it. I mean, I just never felt the need, but there's just something in me that says like, if people could just see like what really happens and the transformation and like your story, I think it would help them and inspire them too, because I mean, you were young, like you said, you hit, $1 million at 22, like amazing. And also that incredible achievement in network marketing. Like I remember, when we started working together, it wasn't easy. There was a lot of things to straighten out. There was a lot of work to do, but man, have you ever come a long way. And the fact that, I've been over there and even met some of your family and your wife, obviously been able to work with you guys, and it's been amazing. So the whole journey with you, I mean, there's so much more to go, but wow, like what a ride it's been so far. So thank you for hopping on and just sharing the story, because I really wanted people to know about you too. And you're also working on the book, so we'll be talking again in the future for sure. I want people to to see that when it comes out, but it's exciting. So really thank you, Bo. I really appreciate it.
Absolutely. And I want everyone to know, like, if you are listening to this and you have big dreams, you have big goals, they are possible. Like, buckle down, listen to what this guy's saying. It helps. It works. Cross paths with him as much as you can. Watch as many of his videos as you can. I mean, there's just something about following true, strategical, practical, implementable steps. So absolutely, Rafael, like, it's been a huge honor to be working with you, and I am so excited to, the future. We're just getting started. So
we are.
Once again, thank you so much.
Of course. Thank you, Bo. Thank you for hopping on.